once you have all your shelves inserted, it's a good time to go ahead and put all the bottom screws in. Everything will come pre-drilled. And this is really all you have to do. Putting the screws in just kind of keeps everything in place. The next thing you'll do is put your top fascia strip on. The thing that you'll want to notice is that all your shelves that are already inserted will have a gap in the top. And the reason that'll be is if you get a larger unit that you stack, you'll put the next row of shelves in just like that. And you'll build on upward from there. This is a real easy system. The last step is to put the final rack side on and screw it together, and you'll end up with a rack just like this one you see behind me.